Hi, Ben from LabStrong with a Rapids quick tip. In our Rapids basic operations video, we covered how to dispense water from the Rapids unit. Based on the feedback we received from our beta test sites, our users asked for a feature that would allow them to tell the Rapids to dispense water for a certain amount of time. We listened to their ideas and implemented a straightforward, no-nonsense time dispense feature into the Rapids user interface. This allows you to tell the Rapids how long you want it to dispense for. That way you can step away for a bit and come back with a beaker or container full of Type I water. When the system is in on mode, you'll see the new time dispense feature when you hit dispense and then press and hold. From here, you can tell the Rapids to add 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 3 minutes of dispensing time. Alternatively, you can press dispense and then press and hold the press and hold button, slide your finger to your desired time and let go. You can continue adding time all the way up to a 10-minute maximum on a single cycle. This is incredibly helpful for when you want to tell the Rapids to set a very specific time to dispense. For instance, if I wanted exactly 2.5 minutes, I would hit 1 minute twice, add 30 seconds, and there we go, 2.5 minutes of dispensing time. Now, after about 5 seconds of not adding any time, the system will gray out our other time add options. That way you or someone else doesn't come along and accidentally add more time than you originally intended. At the same time, the system grays out the other options on the screen besides the stop button. That way you don't find yourself in the menus forgetting that you're dispensing and realizing all of a sudden your beaker's overflowing with way too much water. As the system is dispensing water, you can also see this helpful water graphic that slowly rises as the time depletes. This gives you kind of a relative standard for how much time is left on the dispense. Pressing stop will allow you to hit any other button, including the ability to add more time. Let's say I just wanted to add 1 more minute because when the Rapids dispenses up to 2 liters of ASTM Type I water per minute, you might realize your containers fill up a lot faster than you might think they do. And that's it for this Rapids quick tip and the time dispense feature. Thank you so much for watching. At LabStrong, we're committed to making your lab life easier. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for additional help, contact the experts right here at LabStrong.